In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the battery saver on your Windows or PC. If you have been wanting to learn how to easily turn on the battery saver on your Windows or PC, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to turn on the battery saver in your PC or Windows, what you need to do is to scroll down to this tab, right? This is it. So you tap the battery icon. So my battery is currently charging. You tap the battery icon, then this is the battery saver, right? This is the battery saver. I would have turned it on, but this laptop is currently charging. So this is basically how you can turn on the battery saver of your Windows or PC. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you watch other videos on this channel and ensure you turn on the bell notification so as you won't miss out on any educational guide or video like this in the future. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.